Hey guys, Pete from Leisure Time here. We're here in Victor, Idaho. A little bit of a snowy day. We're here to pick up this hot tub. It had a bit of a leak that we couldn't find it on site, so we're going to load it up, take it back to the shop, and get it fixed. Filter basket, 3 pillows, and 2 diverter handles. We're going to list all that on the work order. Alright, we got the tub loaded up on the trailer. Next stop, Leisure Time. We'll get it up on a rack so we can fill it with water, get underneath it and see where it's leaking from. We can take care of it a lot easier there. Thanks for watching.
Alright, we're back in the shop here. We brought the hot tub back and put it on a rack. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fill it with water and see if we can tell where the water is leaking. We found the leak now. The problem is the filter bucket itself has this big outlet down here, and it's entirely cracked off, so we're going to have to replace the entire filter bucket assembly. Alright, so we've completely taken out the old one, filter bucket, and we've installed the new filter bucket. We've siliconed it in and glued it back in at the bottom, done everything to make it completely watertight. So now we're going to start filling up the tub. Alright, so we just finished triple checking this tub, making sure that there's absolutely no leaks whatsoever. So now it's ready to go back to the owner. And thank you very much for watching.